Okay, twisted wire in Blender, which turns out is quite a clever little way. Now I'll leave you guys to work out how to do this in T-splines. We want to add an object. You can either come down to add, or you can press Shift A, which will bring up the add. Why am I not getting an add? Anyway, let's go to add, mesh, and we want to add a mesh circle. You want to bring its radius out a little bit, and then just zoom in and see how many facets you have. For each facet you're going to have a twist wire. So I guess for this 32 is okay. We want to go into edit mode because we want to start working with the mesh. Alright, the first thing you want to do is just extrude it in place. So press E, press enter, and then scale that extrusion out. I guess like so. Extrude in place again, press enter, scale that extrusion out. Now we want to rotate this extrusion, alright? And make sure you tap Z, that's saying that you want to rotate it directly around Z. Okay? Then we want to extrude it in place again, enter, and we want to scale it directly out, just giving us a little ledge on either side of our twist. Alright? Change to face mode, hold down your Alt key, and right click that. Now when you do this extrusion, be careful, because if you extrude like this, it's going to extrude one piece. You want to extrude each face individually. Okay? Come into, I guess, about there, and you're going, alright, well, what have you done? You've made nothing. I'm going to go back to object mode. With the object highlighted, go over to its properties and add a modifier, which is a subdivision surface. Alright? Start seeing what's happening, and start adding subdivisions to it. And as fast as that, you have a twisted rope, a flat twisted rope thing that you're ready to start working with. It's actually one of the most fantastic things I've seen happen as yet. Very, very clever. Very, very clever. I'm going to go back to edit mode, and I'm going to grab the edges here. Yeah, give me the edge. Just want to give me the edge. Yeah. Select nothing, hold down Alt, and grab that edge. And you'll see that you can see your subdivision inside there. Alright? Now I want to extrude that straight downwards, so I'm going to go into Z. And I want to do the same thing with the other one. Alright, so I'm going to hold down Alt, just tap A to let go, hold down Alt and grab onto this, and I extrude it straight down in Z again, a little bit like that. And go back to object mode, and this is wonderfully, wonderfully fast. I really, really like this. If you want to, you can go back into your edit mode, just press tab. 1 second.